Hello dear children, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we are going to study about multiplication and division of fractions. Here I have two examples to explain you the procedure to be followed to multiply the fraction. Sometimes you can get the question to multiply with a whole number. Suppose the question 2 by 3 into 18 only. So what to do? That whole number also we will write in the form of a fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. Then it will seem simpler how to do it. Right? After this what to do? Let us see here. First of all, numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. That is the very simple procedure to multiply the fraction. So in the second step what we'll do is the numerators we have 2 and 18. So 2 will be multiplied with 18, 2 upon 18, and then the denominators will be multiplied as well. Denominators we have 3 and 1. So 3 into 1 in the denominator. So what we'll get is an answer 2 into 18 will be the numerator of the answer and 3 into 1 will be the denominator of the answer. So we have 2 into 18 is 36 here and 3 into 1 is 3. So our answer is 36 upon 3. But as we can see here that this fraction is not in the simplest form. That means they can be cancelled. Right? So always in case of fraction, your answer should be in the simplest form. So if we will divide this 36 by 3, then we will get 12 as an answer. So answer of this point will be 12. Now let us see the multiplication of fraction by another example. That is the second one example here. Here you can see question 1 upon 2 of 2 integer 3 by 4. So here this of mean will also multiply only. Whenever you will get any question in this of form, so there also you need to multiply only. So that means 1 by 2 into 2 integer 3 by 4. Right, so in the place of we will do multiply here, and as our second fraction is given in the form of mixed fraction, so we need to write that into simple form. So here we have 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So the numerator will be 11 and denominator will be 4 only. So we have changed this question into the simpler manner to be solved. Here we have new question of the same, that is 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. Now again we will follow the same procedure, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So our next step will be the numerator will be 1 into 11 and its denominator will be 2 into 4. Right. So what will be the answer? Answer's numerator will be 1 into 11, that is product of 1 and 11, and denominator of the answer will be the product of numbers 2 and 4. So here we got answer as 11 upon 8. But as this 11 upon 8 is an improper fraction, so we need to change it into mixed form. Right? Whenever we get answer in the form of improper fraction, so that is necessary to change it into mixed fraction. So here we can see this, how to change it. 8 ones are 8 and 11 minus 8 will be 3. So 3 as the numerator and denominator will be the same. So our answer of this multiplication is 1 integer 3 by 8. Let us check. 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 8. This is the answer of our second point. Now we are going to see about division of fraction, how to divide them. To solve the question of division of the fraction also, you need to be very clear about the multiplication of the fraction. That is the reason I am taking both the topics together. Here also we have 2 points to be solved. By this the procedure of division of the fractions will be clear to you. See how to do it. First I am going to solve first one point for you. Again we have first one fraction in the form of mix, so we will write it into simple form. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. Divided by 2 upon 5. This we have converted the question into the simpler manner, right? After that, what to do? Very first one work is that you will convert this question of divide into the question of multiply. That will be easier for you to solve. How it can be done? See, first fraction will be written as it is. Then this sign of divide will be turned to multiply. After that, the second one fraction, we will write its multiplicative inverse, or you may call it reciprocal also. What is the rule of reciprocal? In reciprocal, numerator and denominator are interchanged. As we have 2 as the numerator, so now this 2 will be the denominator. And here 5 was the denominator, so now this 5 will be the numerator. First fraction as it is, divide turn to multiply, and then second fractions reciprocal you have to write. Again, now it has become simpler. You have already seen the solution of the multiplication one case. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So here we have 5, 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4. So answer of this division is 25 by 4, and as it is an improper fraction, so again we will turn it into mix. So we will have 4 6 are 24, 1 remainder here, and denominator is 4 itself. So answer of this division is 6 integer 1 by 4. Now let us see the solution of second point. Mix to be converted to simple. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So here we have 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 5 upon 3. Now we will turn it into the question of multiply. First one fraction as it is. Divide will turn to multiply. And second one numbers reciprocal. 5 upon 3 will become 3 upon 5. Got it? Again, like the simple question of multiplication, numerator into numerator. 16 3s are 48. And denominator into denominator, 5 5s are 25. So again we have answer as an improper fraction. Let us change it into mixed one. 25 1s are 25. Then remainder is 23 upon 25. So here our answer is 1 integer 23 upon 25. So in this video we have learnt about multiplication of fraction as well as division of fraction. Hope you like the video. Please press the like button. Leave comments in the comment box. You can ask your queries also. We will try to respond them positively. Share as much you can, and also subscribe our channel Padhai Ke Funde. Thank you everyone.